Hello. 19, would I say 67, wasn't it?
67, yeah.
67, I think is E-plate. Vauxhall Cresta PC estate car made by Dormobile. Quite a rare bit of kit. I don't think they made many of them because it was a conversion. They didn't actually make an estate car. Dormobile converted them. The floors had lots of holes in. When you sat on the seat, it all fell apart. Had to cut all of that lot out with the handbrake mounts. Make the floor here, remake that bit, remake all those bits. Took off the front wings that were on it. Cleared all the metal up from underneath. They repaired all the inner wheel arches. Had to put all these channels back in. And re-welded the front wings in, realigned all the nose cones, realigned all the bonnet edges. With a bit of luck. Leaking.
How's your thumb?
Alright, yeah, a lot better. All the poison's gone now. So.
The poison's gone.
Cut that as well, son.
End up thinking, what's good?
Not a lot left, mate, I can assure you of that.